As a print media specialist, sanay ako sa detail and planning, pero na-realize ko, importante rin pala financial planning sa totoong buhay. Hi, I'm Arcgel Hingo, a licensed financial advisor from True Life UK. I help individuals and families to protect their future, grow their finances, and achieve peace of mind. So I have a question. If something unexpected happens tomorrow, ready ba financially ang family mo? A wisdom from the scripture says in Proverbs 21:5, "The plans of diligent lead surely to abundance." Ibig sabihin, ang maayos na pagpaplano or surrendered plan ay daan sa kasaganaan, hindi lang sa pera, kundi sa buhay. My mission is to guide you in making wise financial decisions. And here in True Life UK, we offer solutions to help you become a good steward of your finances. We offer life insurance para siguradong protected ang family mo, together with health protection plans para handa ka sa medical emergencies. There's also investment-linked plans or VUL, katulad ng TrueLink Elite Protector para sa bayang protection at pagpapalago ng savings. Education planning para sa future ng mga anak mo. And retirement planning para sa peaceful and secured na buhay later on. This is aligned to 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8 in the Bible. To provide for your family is part of your responsibility. So hindi lang ako nagbebenta ng policy, I build long-term relationships. I take time to explain everything in simple way para maging confident ka sa decisions mo. And my goal is to serve and guide you. With True Life UK's strong and trusted foundation, alam mo ang future ng finances mo ay nasa maaasahang kumpanya. If you're ready to take control of your finances or gusto mo lang matuto, you can message me directly for free financial consultation. Walang pressure. We can simply talk about your goals and future plans. Again, I'm Arcgel Hingo from True Life UK. Remember, wise planning today brings peace tomorrow. Let's not just aim for financial success. Let's aim for a life that honors God.